Hey, welcome in to Music City Trader. This is day number 45. We are close. We are 5 away from being at our 100, or halfway through our 100. Halfway. We're halfway. I'm going to look into these charts. We're risking just $60, which is a 3% risk on the program, and I'm going to explain everything. We're going to do $6 trades today and just see if we can grab some profit. I will tell you that it is going to be fun. At least it'll be fun. Hey, we meet up here every day and I show you real-life binary options trading. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your pocket option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets. So don't wait any longer. Go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. All right, guys, I'm in on this. I took this based on 1 minute white line. We're getting to the white line in the 1 minute. And it seems like this is having a hard time getting back up in there. So let's just see what happens. It is a 1 minute trade. I took it 1 minute because it hit this level and then it sort of started bouncing. Let's look at 10 seconds. It's staying up there kind of scarily. It's got, if it has breakthrough pressure, then it has breakthrough pressure. I'm going to be kind of patient today because I don't want to do a bunch of double ups. That's another hard line. It could hit that and bounce right back down. Yeah, I took my trade at 60. Look, okay, look, it's let's double that up. I said I was gonna be patient, but then I doubled that trade up. Oh, wow, look at that. Let's see. 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I won both of them. Look at that. All right. I believe that was it. I won both of them. That was, oh man, that was so nice. So nice for a Monday morning. So nice for a Monday morning. Reading that off there, that was pretty much what I thought was going to happen. It tried to go up, it went down, but this is dangerous. It's got a lot of up pressure, but it's also been stopping right here and just stopping. So let's look and see where this one was going. I was looking at this one. This one I wanted it to see if it would get back down. It never really did yet get, well, it almost got back down. Look at that, it almost did. And I would have thought that was going to break through. Boom, go straight through. I would have lost that. I would have been waiting for this maybe to break through. But let's look around. I'm going to look around some more and see what I can find. Looks like that's a retraction. And 5 minutes ago it hit down here. It is going down. It looks like a nice little down. It looks like it actually, but the problem is it hit that 30-second white line. And will it go down there or not? It's going to hit the 10-second white line too. I'm just going to wait on this one. This one looks like it could go down or could go up. That's what I don't want to trade. It could go to the white line or it could retract. It kind of hit this line here earlier. Look at that. Look at that big retraction. It's been kind of doing that weird thing. Let's see here. I don't know if I believe that one or not. Look how much up pressure it has. I thought it would just be a little retract and then boom, it would shoot back down. But man, was I wrong. Was I so wrong? I've been wrong on a couple of these, just looking at them, not taking trades on them. I won my first 2 trades. I've been wrong twice now looking at these. Right now it's 11:30 my time, so you know, this looks like it could go up or down. Looks like it's really tanking. It could go back up. I don't know. These charts are they're kind of doing 2 different things to me. They're kind of going up and they're going down. I'm like, oh, it could go up, it could go down. Then it's doing something different. So that makes me think I should be careful. You know, so a little stretch there, getting this morning off. Man, I've been really working a lot here. Let's look at this challenge here today. We started with 643. We have to do this from the other day. We started at 643. Now we are at 654. So not a bad little profit there of 0.5% is all we're at right now. Okay, 0.5%. Not huge. Still not convinced this is going to go up. I mean, it could go up, right? This could go straight up, but in the 5 and the 3 and the 10 doesn't really show me much of anything. And this could go tanking down as well. And that's what it is doing. It's kind of going back and forth. This one is the same way. I'm going to look at the 5 minutes and try to find something that I think... Oh, no, that's a nice little turnaround. That's a big downtrend in the 5 and a nice turnaround, but it looks like it's already happened to me. Yeah, and it's going to set up some levels right here. Like it could bounce off that level. I think that's a bouncing level right there. Now this level right here is pretty tight. I mean, it's pretty big, right? I'm not really sure what that's going to be. But we had it come down here, it bounced, come down here, it bounced, then it bounced through, then it bounced up, then it tried to bounce up, bounce up, bounce up. Way down here, and it tried to get up there again. So if I look at this in the 5, yeah, it looks like it does want to break that. Look at it in the 10. Looks like it, you know, it could go up here and do this, or it could keep going all the way down into this area down here. Not super sure what that's going to do. If I look at it in the 10 seconds, what it's doing now, it's going a little higher, a little higher, a little higher, and then it's sort of just consolidating there. It's not doing anything that I think is amazing. Maybe it reaches up to this level right here. And if it does, then it's like, you know, it reached up there, tried to get up there, but it couldn't get up there all the way. And now it's sort of going back down. Now, my gut feeling is, yeah, this would be kind of a turnaround. And from this white line, we could probably take a 2-minute call. We'll go ahead and take that call now. My gut feeling is it's going to come off that white line and head back up to this. Now, I won 2 $6 trades. Now, I think it's going to break this next time. Yeah, look at that. That's a ginormous jump off there. It hit that white line. Ginormously jumped, but it needs to break this or at least stay up there for another 1.5 minutes. That was a pretty long trade. But I did that because I do think it is going to go up. And it kind of makes me nervous that it's kind of wicking from the top. Let's just watch this. 1 minute. It's okay if it hits this white line again, as long as it doesn't go under this line. As long as it doesn't break under here. This is where I don't want it to do it. That's what I do not want it to do right there. See, it's set up sort of a line of consolidation. I think it's going to break off this line and head back up there. Now this is sort of a low part of consolidation right here. This trade, I think, goes either way at this point. I mean, I'm 30 seconds in. Unless it just launches up here and goes ahead. Look at that little line right here. This is the line it didn't want to get above that line. 26 seconds. It looks promising in the 10 seconds, so it's 2 more candles up. As long as it doesn't decide to. This is a compound. Okay, I'm almost afraid to look. So we have 10 seconds. It's been shooting up and down, up and down. We have 8 seconds. I don't want it to shoot down. I want it to kind of stay up there. It's still staying up there now. It's getting a little shooty. No, it's not shooting. It's just kind of, it's losing its steam. 665. What a win. What a win that is. Now, it wouldn't surprise me if this went even lower. I'm going to go back to 6 because I don't want to lose any progress. And I'm going to go into my thing 665. I mean, that might be enough for today. We're at 1.1%. 1%. it's like, is this going to break that? Is it finally going to break that? If it does, it does, you know. It's, to me, I thought it was going to go from there all the way up, but I don't know if it's, you know, it does. I do think it could break that, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to. It's been fighting to break that. It went up, it broke it, it jumped back down, it went up, it broke it, you know, it's playing around. Yeah, now it's going higher, and I'm going to take this as a 10-second jump. I'm going to take this as a breakaway. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it doesn't have like a random throwback. 16 seconds. This blue line is pretty high, pretty hard. 11 seconds. It's getting a little bit of pullback here. This blue line is pretty hard though. Oh, look at that. Let's see what it does in 10 seconds. Does it raise back up? No. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. No, it doesn't. So that's a loss. But does it continue? See, yeah, it's yeah, see, it's wanting to go. Let's see what it looks like in one. Yeah, it's hard to know if it's going to go or not. I guess in this tight knit thing here, you'd almost have to do it from here on a 30-second one, and then it does its retract there. So I gotta stop this. That's my two sixes that I won in the beginning would be lost here if this does not shoot back up. That 6 that I lost there would be 1 back here if it can shoot back up and hold. If it does have up pressure. Look at it. It's up, down, up, down. It's got up pressure. 7 seconds. It looks like it's good. It looks like it's good. It looks like it's good. Nope. Yep. That looks like it's good. It could hold. It held and it continues. Okay. So we're at 665. We're up 1.08%. I'm not sure about this because now I just don't know. This is a 1 minute. Is it a real turnaround? It really broke that level. Is it really going to go? It's going to be a 1 minute. It's going to be a 1 minute breakthrough, I think. And the 30 seconds already kind of broke through. I'm going to take one more 1 minute here. This is a 1 minute. So this is assuming that the 1 minute breakthrough is true, and then it takes up 659. So let's say if we lost this one, 659. We'll be up 0.78%. 0.78% if we lose it. It's struggling, but in a good way. Struggling in a good way to go higher. I think it's pushing higher. It does sort of seem like it broke through in the 30 and sort of wanted to turn around. Now in the 10, it's sort of just doing this thing here where it's like it's stopping here and breaking higher, which actually is good for me because I think it could break higher from here. Especially if it doesn't break that line like it just did, and it goes back up like that. Yeah, we're going to take this up on 10 seconds on 30. And it seems like now we're just sort of back and forth, win a loss, win a loss. I think I should get off this chart unless it breaks way above this. If it goes above this in the 10-second, and I think it's going to do it, if I really think it's going to do it, it's in the 30-second. That's not even in the 10-second. The 10-second's doing very well. If it actually goes above this, there we go. We got that win. Look at it shoot above. Yeah, it has up pressure. Yeah, it's got up pressure. That's where I wanted it, right here. I wanted it up there. I don't want it up there. That's too high. But in the 1 minute, yeah, I'm going to take it. It's pretty high, but what I think is going to happen is going to push high. 6 and 12. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's a short trade, too. That's a 20-second trade. I don't have time for that to happen. I want it to go 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute RSI break. Look at that 1 minute. That looks like a good candle, and that looks like it could win. 9, 8, let's just hold up. Yeah, like pushing up. 1 minute, it's holding up. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, and there we got a win. 675. That was based on an RSI break above these levels. I'm going to go back to 6, and I'm actually going to quit today. 675. I think I'm actually up enough to quit. 1.5%, 1.56%. I'm actually up enough to quit today without feeling, like I didn't do good. I had $32 profit. I'm up 1.56%. I'm up $32. Now, I'm going to call that a day because I'm almost at 100%. I'm almost taking my account to 100% growth in these 45 days. And so day 46, 47. So it looks like by day 50, I will have doubled my account. Because I'm at 2,077. I started at 1,050. And so with the cash offset that I have, that I've taken out, with the daily pocket option balance, and with my Coinbase account that I've taken some of this money out here, I will have 1,050 doubled to 2,000, actually 2,100 is what it would be. I'm not that far away. Yeah, I'm really not that far away. Yeah, I'm just about $30 away from having the full double the account, which makes me feel pretty good. And like today, as you can see, I'm just trading fairly safely in this, and not doing anything crazy. I don't want to do anything crazy anymore. I spent 3 years doing crazy binary option tricks. And it's like, this is still going up. This still got a good pressure up. I noticed it right here is where I thought it was going to bounce and it was going to break. And once it started breaking, right here's a really great level. This is a great level. This right here is just such a great turnaround level. It's, if you look at it in different levels, I'm so tempted to trade some more. But the problem with this is I don't know. I wouldn't take any crazy trades here because right here, this goes up to here in 5 minutes. It could go all the way up there, But in 1 minute, it's so overbought right now that it's just so oversold and overbought. It could just keep going. It could just keep going. It's reaching really high. It's out of pocket in all ways. It's way out blown off the RSI. It's blown here. And the problem is I don't know if this pullback is a pullback or if this pullback is like a chance for just a little pullback, and it's going to keep going. In the 10 minute, it looks like it could go pretty high. We have it stopping here. We have it stopping here and here that time, but it doesn't mean it's going to stop there this time. And I don't know. And it doesn't matter because I've already got a 1.5% gain. And in my trading life now, I have to be okay with that. I have to be able to say, yeah, that's amazing. That's good. That's good enough. That's what I want. I don't need to go higher until I'm just like over the top, doing over the top. I don't have to be over the top, do I? No, I don't. I have to be winning and winning a lot over time. And that's what I am doing. I've had a lot of winning days. So we're going to keep it there. That's going to end day 45. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the Social Trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.